Did you know XRP surged 500% in 2025? That's right, it's not just Elon's rockets going to the moon, but before you sell your dog's chew toys to buy more, let's break down why XRP is the crypto world's favorite roller coaster. Meet XRP, the speed demon of crypto. While Bitcoin's stuck in traffic, XRP settles transactions faster than you can say FUD. And in 2025, it's not just for banks anymore, it's the Swiss Army knife of blockchain. But is it worth your hard-earned Shiba Inu profits? Let's dive in. Investing in XRP isn't all Lambos and confetti. First, there's the SEC. The crypto world's fun police. Will Ripple's lawsuits ever end? Spoiler? It's like a Netflix series with too many seasons. Then there's volatility. One day you're up 30%, the next you're crying into your pillow. And let's not forget the XRP army. They're more loyal than my dog, but even they can't predict the market. Here's the tea. Ripple's now BFFs with 100+ banks. They're basically Tinder for finance. Swipe right for instant payments. Plus, XRP's new upgrade lets it handle 50K transactions/second. Take that Ethereum gas fees and guess what? Experts say XRP could fuel the next-gen CBDCs. Translation: countries want to be as cool as XRP. So should you buy XRP in 2025? My crystal ball says maybe, if regulations chill out. Looking at you, SEC, XRP could moon harder than a Dogecoin meme. Analysts predict $10 to $50 by 2030. But remember, crypto's like dating. Never invest more than you'd spend on a first date. Unless you're into romance. XRP. Fast, furious, and fighting the SEC. It's high risk, high reward. Perfect for thrill seekers and to-the-moon dreamers. Just don't blame me if your portfolio does the Macarena. I'll drop a comment. Are you team XRP or team I'll stick to my mattress money? Hit subscribe for more crypto laughs. Next up, how to survive a bearish market without eating ramen. Peace out, future millionaires.